free PLC programming course. Lectures, hardware, software, and lab project discussions, just as if you were in a community college and you would get lectures, you would do lab projects, and then you would discuss the lab projects. This is a free PLC programming course. These are the elements of this free course, plus some optional enhancements to accelerate your learning. These are the basic components of what we're offering free. Hardware discussions, hands-on projects as an option, lectures and project discussions. We'll begin with the lectures. If you go to the plcprofessor.com website and go to courses, you will find a RSLogix 500 Micro Starter course, 40 lessons, and these are lectures on PLC technology and lab project discussions, hours of free videos. As you watch them, you can use the free software and emulator to demonstrate what you have learned with hands-on projects of your own creation. In other words, as you watch the videos, you can come up with your own programming to demonstrate what you've learned. However, if you want to accelerate your learning experience, these hands-on project manuals are available at plcprofessor.com. Number 44 there is enough to get you started with software that you can download from Rockwell Automation free. The software is free from Rockwell Automation. Or number 46 is the same manual, but it comes with a memory stick that has the free software loaded onto it and hardware manuals from the manufacturer. You don't have to buy this. You can do all of this without buying a manual. The memory stick includes RSLogix 500 Emulate, and this is the course free on PLC Professor YouTube channel. Notice PLC Professor YouTube, courses, free, using RSLogix Emulate 500 course. This will take you through the whole procedure to set it up as an emulator in your computer. If you decide to use an actual controller, that is an actual PLC, this course would demonstrate how to build several versions of an I/O simulator. I/O simulators, switches for inputs, LEDs for outputs. Under playlists, not under a course, but under playlists, PLC Learning Stations provides step-by-step assembly instructions for the kit that is available on plcprofessor.com website, and if you want to build one of your own design. These are the components of the free course plus optional enhancements to accelerate your learning. You don't have to buy the manuals or the kit. You can do all this on your own. Free PLC course, lectures, hardware, software discussions, and lab project discussions. We also offer free PLC courses for RSLogix Studio 5000 Logix Designer and for CCW Connected Components Workbench with the Micro 800. On the website, we also offer some hardware. On the far left is the kit for the digital field device simulator immediately to its right. It's light switches, power supply, a pre-machined and printed box, complete training stations, and analog field device simulator kits and built. This course, the first and our oldest, is for RSLogix. RSLogix is RSLogix. Whether it's RSLogix 5, 500, RSLogix for Micro Starter, or RSLogix Studio 5000. RSLogix is RSLogix, and you will find that the programming in its basic form is consistent throughout. What will be different is some of the I/O structures and some of the more advanced instructions available in RSLogix 5000 and Studio 5000. But don't let anybody kid you. The bulk of the installed base out there on factory floors is, as far as Allen Bradley and Rockwell is concerned, in the RSLogix 5 and 500 MicroLogix category. And that's what this course was developed with, was with MicroLogix controllers. There are hundreds of thousands of these out there that require technicians to support them, maintain them, and make process improvements. This is a perfect starting place. You can do this. Start free, jump in and start doing it. And if you decide you have an interest in this, you'll keep rolling. You can do this.